They are attacking the governor of Fubara State. Governor of Fubara State under attack. Yes, the governor of Fubara State under attack. Nothing was happening to our governor. We still we stand. We still we stand. We still we stand. Nothing was happening to see. Nothing was happening to our governor. You are shooting us. You are shooting us. Shoot the governor. Fuck them up. Fuck them up. Shoot the governor. You kiss him. We start with him. We start with him. We start with him. It is now or never. The intimidation is too much. We die with him. Yes. They are targeting us. Oh, shit. Nothing must happen to see. We stand with you, Fubara. We stand with you, Fubara. Against the governor, shot at him, but the governor is David. This injustice must stop. Okay. We are wanted assembly complex.
All the army will not go inside though. All the army will
This injustice must stop.
Listen, I'm not put
this injustice must stop.
The one should notice.
Let the one see how that she entered the governor. Let the one see.
Inside here.
God will punish him.
Press.
God will punish him. This is the people's governor.
Just let's leave it back. Let's leave it back. Okay. Let's leave it back.
We are resolute. We are determined. Yes.
We're here.
You cannot intimidate the city governor.
Please. Decorum. Come down.
Okay, I'm ready.
Your Excellency, you can see the carnage these people have done here. So,
let me say the good people of Rivers State. It's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again. After about 9 years ago, when we had a similar experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday. And I said this morning, I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes.
I can never, for any reason, even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this, that we used taxpayers' money to build, will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
I'm calling on the security agencies. From what I've seen, the security agencies even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me. They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. Yes. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I want to die with you.
I want to die. When people hear Fubara, they say, who is this Fubara? Is that man that was killed one time for a struggle? That is what I want to be.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody.
yes.
But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish.
Yes.
Purely rubbish. Right. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. The first person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action for our good people of Rivers State, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me.